friends, I am Nashawa and today I am going to tell you the summary of Podar Standard 6 English chapter Swami and the Sum. So this is the story Swami and the Sum of a book. Half an hour later, Swaminathan sat in his father's room with a slate in his hand and pencil ready. Father held the arithmetic book open and dictated. Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much will Krishna have to pay? So, the meaning in Hindi is आधे घंटे बाद स्वामीनाथन अपने पिता के कमरे में बैठा था। उसके हाथ में स्लेट थी और पेंसिल तैयार थी। पिता ने अंक गणित की किताब खोल रखी थी और प्रश्न लिखवाया। राम के पास 10 आम हैं जिनसे वो 15 आने कमाना चाहता है। कृष्णा को केवल 4 आम चाहिए। कृष्णा को कितने पैसे देने होंगे? नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. Swaminathan gazed and gazed at this sum, and every time he read it, it seemed to acquire a new meaning. He had the feeling of having stepped into a fearful maze. His mouth began to water at the thought of mangoes. He wondered what made Rama fix 15 annas for 10 mangoes. What kind of man was Rama? Probably he was like Sankar, the most brilliant boy in Swami's class. He was said to solve any problem given to him in 5 minutes. Somehow, one couldn't help feeling that he must have been like Sankar with his 10 mangoes and his iron determination to get 15 annas. If Rama was like Sankar, Krishna must have been like the pea, another classmate Samuel known as the pea on account of his size. He was considered ordinary. The bond between Swami and Samuel was laughter. The meaning is, स्वामीनाथन इस प्रश्न को बहुत ही ध्यान लगाकर देखता ही रहा। हर बार जब वो उसे पढ़ता तो उसे लगता कि इसका अर्थ बदल गया है। उसे ऐसा महसूस हुआ जैसे वो किसी डरावनी भूल भलैया में प्रवेश कर गया है। आमों के बारे में सोचते ही उसके मुंह में पानी आने लगा। वो सोचने लगा कि राम ने 10 आमों की कीमत 15 आने क्यों रखी। राम कैसा आदमी होगा? शायद वो शंकर जैसा होगा, जो स्वामी की कक्षा का सबसे होशियार लड़का था और 5 मिनट में कोई भी प्रश्न हल कर लेता था। किसी तरह स्वामी को लगा कि राम भी शंकर जैसा ही होगा, जो अपने 10 आमों से 15 आने कमाने के लिए दृढ़ निश्चयी था। अगर राम शंकर जैसा था तो कृष्णा सैमुअल जैसा ही रहा होगा, जिसे उसकी छोटी कद काठी के कारण मटर कहा जाता था। यहाँ स्वामीनाथन को कृष्णा के लिए अनजानी सी सहानुभूति महसूस हुई। Have you done the sum? Father asked, looking over the newspaper he was reading. Father, will you tell me if the mangoes were ripe? Father regarded him for a while and smothering a smile remarked, do the sum first. I will tell you whether the fruits were ripe or not. Afterwards. नंदे, क्या तुमने सवाल कर लिया? पिता ने अखबार के ऊपर से देखते हुए कहा। पिताजी, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आम पके थे या नहीं? पिता ने उसे कुछ देर तक देखा और मुस्कान दबाते हुए बोले, पहले सवाल हल करो, बाद में मैं बता दूंगा कि आम पके थे या नहीं। Then Swaminathan felt utterly helpless. If only father would tell him whether Rama was trying to sell ripe fruits or unripe ones, of what use would it be to tell him afterwards? He felt strongly that the answer to his question contained the key to the whole problem. It would be scandalous to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes, but even if he did, it wouldn't be unlike Rama, whom Swaminathan was steadily beginning to hate. स्वामीनाथन को पूरी तरह असहाय महसूस हुआ। काश पिता उसे यह बता देता कि राम पके आम बेच रहा था या कच्चे। बाद में बताने का क्या लाभ। उसे पूरा विश्वास था कि इसी प्रश्न का उत्तर पूरे सवाल की कुंजी है। 10 कच्चे आमों के लिए 15 आने मांगना तो बहुत ही गलत बात होगी, लेकिन अगर आम पके होते तो 15 आने शायद अनुचित कीमत ना होती। काश उसे इस बात पर और स्पष्टता मिल जाती। Next, Father, I cannot do the sum, Swaminathan said, pushing away the slate. What is the matter with you? You can't solve a simple problem in simple proportion. We are not taught this kind of thing in our school. Get the slate here and I will make you give the answer now. Swaminathan waited with interest for the miracle to happen. Father studied the sum for a second and asked, what is the price of 10 mangoes? पिताजी, मैं यह सवाल नहीं कर सकता, स्वामीनाथन ने स्लेट हटाते हुए कहा। तुम साधारण अनुपात का इतना आसान प्रश्न भी हल नहीं कर सकते, पिता ने कहा। हमें स्कूल में इस तरह की चीजें नहीं सिखाई जाती, स्वामी बोला। स्लेट यहाँ लाओ, अब मैं तुमसे उत्तर निकलवा कर ही रहूंगा। स्वामीनाथन चमत्कार होने की उम्मीद में इंतजार करने लगा। पिता ने एक क्षण प्रश्न को देखा और पूछा, 10 आमों की कीमत क्या है? Swaminathan looked over the sum to find out which part of the sum contained an answer to this question. I don't know. How much does Rama expect for 10 mangoes? 15 annas, of course, Swaminathan thought, but how could that be its price? It's just price. It was all very well for Rama to expect it in his avarice. But was it the right price? And then there was the obscure point about whether the mangoes were ripe or not. If they were ripe, 15 annas might not be improbable price. If only he could get more light on this point. How much does Rama want for his mangoes? 15 annas, replied Swaminathan without conviction. Very good. How many mangoes does Krishna want? 4. Then what is the price of 4? दस आमों की कीमत क्या है? 15 आने, स्वामीनाथन ने सोचा। लेकिन क्या वही सही कीमत थी? यह तो राम की लालच हो सकती थी। फिर वही उलझन, आम पके थे या नहीं। अगर पके होते तो 15 आने असंभव कीमत नहीं थी। राम अपने आमों के लिए कितने पैसे चाहता है? 15 आने। स्वामी ने बिना विश्वास के उत्तर दिया। बहुत अच्छा। कृष्णा कितने आम चाहता है? 4। तो 4 आमों की कीमत क्या होगी? How could he know? Look here, boy, 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution lay in the realm of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. In the end, when father was waiting with a scowl for an answer, he received only a squeal from his son. I'm not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango cost at 15 annas for 10. What was the matter with father? Swaminathan kept blinking. What was the urgency to know its price? Anyway, if father wanted so badly to know, instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. स्वामीनाथन कैसे जानता? देखो बेटा, 10 आमों की कीमत 15 आने हैं। एक आम की कीमत क्या होगी? स्वामीनाथन मुंह नहीं खोल पाया क्योंकि वो तय नहीं कर पा रहा था कि हल जोड़ में है, घटाव में, गुना या भाग में, मीन्स प्लस माइनस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन में है। अंत में जब पिता गुस्से से उसे देख रहे थे तो उसके मुंह से केवल एक चीख सी निकली। मैं तब तक नहीं जाऊंगा जब तक तुम यह नहीं बताओगे कि एक आम की कीमत कितनी है। पिता को यह जानने की इतनी जल्दी क्यों थी? स्वामी बार बार पल के झपकाता रहा। अगर पिता को इतना ही जानना था तो बाजार जाकर खुद ही पता कर ले। अंत में late, father, I will find it out. He worked and found at the end of 15 minutes the price of one mango is 3/2 annas. He expected to be contradicted any moment. अब स्वामी को गणित के सबसे भयानक हिस्से भिन्नों में ले जाया जा रहा था। स्लेट दीजिए पिताजी, मैं निकाल लूँगा। 15 मिनट की मेहनत के बाद उसने उत्तर निकाला। एक आम की कीमत 3/2 आने हैं। उसे डर था कि कहीं कोई उसका विरोध ना कर दे। But father said, very good, simplify it further. बहुत अच्छा, अभी वापस simplify करो. It was plain selling. After that, Swaminathan announced at the end of half an hour's agony, Krishna must pay 6 annas, and burst into tears. उसे डर था कि कहीं कोई उसका विरोध न कर दे। आधे घंटे की मानसिक पीड़ा के बाद स्वामीनाथन ने कहा, कृष्णा को 6 आने देने होंगे, और ये कहते ही वो रो पड़ा। So this is the explanation of this lesson, and now I'm going to show you the summary. If you wanted to write it in short, the summary, so I will explain you the summary. The story describes how Swaminathan struggles to solve an arithmetic problem given by his father. The problem involves finding the cost of 4 mangoes when 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. Swami becomes confused because the problem seems to change meaning every time he reads it. He feels helpless and believes the key to the solution lies in knowing whether the mangoes were ripe or unripe. His father patiently guides him step by step instead of directly giving the answer. After much mental agony, Swami finally understands that the problem is one of simple proportions and finds the correct answer, though he solves it. The experience leaves him emotionally drained, showing how fear of maths can trouble young learners. Okay, now this is the summary of this. Now read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. First question, who dictated the arithmetic problem to Swaminathan? That is, the answer is Swaminathan's father. Next question, what kind of sum was it according to the father? It is a simple proportion. Why did Swaminathan feel he had stepped into a fearful maze when reading the sum? It seems to get a new meaning with every reading. Complete the analogy with a suitable word from the extract. Obeyed, commanded, and requested. It is asked. Asked. Which of the following most nearly means the same as dictated? That is, read out. Now next question answer I will give you in my next video. Okay, so thank you so much.